everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to reduce and improve Netflix quality. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open your web browser first and then log into your Netflix account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the upper right and go to Accounts from the expanded menu. Scroll all the way down under Profiles and Parental Controls and select your profile. From the expanded menu, click on Playback Settings. In the Data Users Per Screen window, click on High for HD and UHD quality and then click on Save. If you'd like to reduce the quality, you can select from Medium to Low. The low option plays basic videos and audio qualities up to 0.3 GB per hour. If you select the medium option, then you'll be able to play standard video and audio quality up to 0.7 GB per hour. And if you'd like to increase the quality of your videos on Netflix, click on the high option. And finally, after making your selection, click on Save to make it the default. That is how you can reduce and improve the Netflix video quality on your Netflix account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.